Okay, so we are unveiling the 5MP camera. This is the dual camera, dual lens, like I always told you. So we unveil it and also run the configuration. This is the manual. This is the wow. This is the Odogu camera. Odogu. This is the camera. Every damn details of this camera is nice, man. So you can see I have a space for the SIM card and the memory card. Then I have another slot also. So you can actually use this, you see. It is designed in such a way that it can be covered. And this, once you are done. But first, you put the SIM card. You have just inserted the SIM card now. Then insert your memory card. This is your memory card. This comes in sizes. This is 32 gig. You have 64 gig. You have 128 gig. Then you insert it. Make sure you watch the direction. You can see, you see the position of my hand now, which also shows the dimensions and the places I can insert the SIM card. This is the memory card side. So I'm going to insert it here. If you didn't get it right, it will not enter. So you see, initially it was wrongly inserted, but now because it is properly inserted, if I press it, it should be able to come out. So if I position it like this, it is wrong. If I put it like this, it will clip. So now I can fasten this like this with a screw. I have my screw here. I have my screw now. See, now the second. So this is it. So what is the next thing to do? Well, before we do that, we have to turn on the camera. So we are going to use it back. Is the battery in this camera? Okay, but the fact is that the battery is lithium battery and it is inside the camera, not it's actually inside the camera. So if you want to see the battery, you have to use the camera and see it. To do this, make sure you get it right. You can see how I position it. Then after this, you look for where to connect it. Guys, in powering it, you need this. Just look at here. This is the USB to power it. But before you power it, you need to switch on. So here is the switch. The camera is on. So you use your panel. This is for the solar panel. Mr. Prince, take this panel out. It's okay, you can drop it on the floor. So what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to go to your app. In my app I have new box because I've already downloaded it. So I will come to my app. You see the barcode, bring it down so that I can see the barcode. So this is the barcode. So as I scan it, this is what is displayed. So I will now put the name. The name I want to use here. So this is the name of the office where we are going to install it. Mr. John Lake's computers. So I will select next.